Hello and welcome, everyone. In this video, I want to tell you why so many people are having problems with their green juice diets, despite spending a lot of money and taking a lot of different medications. Stay with me until the end to understand why. Please, don't believe any information you receive here. So that you don't fall victim to any misinformation, I left all the sources in the description of this video. This ensures that you get reliable references and get access to the best recommended supplementation. Click on the link below to check all the complete information and avoid fakes. Thank you for watching. Let's go to the video. Green juice is a healthful and revitalizing beverage that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Packed with an array of nutrient-rich green vegetables, fruits, and herbs, green juice has become a go-to choice for those seeking a natural way to boost their overall well-being. This vibrant elixir not only offers a refreshing and invigorating taste, but also provides a plethora of health benefits. The primary ingredient in green juice is a medley of leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These verdant powerhouses are renowned for their high concentrations of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spinach, for instance, is loaded with vitamin K, iron, and folate, while kale boasts an abundance of vitamins A, C, and K. By incorporating these leafy greens into a green juice, individuals can easily enhance their nutrient intake, supporting various bodily functions. To add a touch of natural sweetness and balance out the flavors, green juice recipes often include fruits like green apples, pears, or pineapple. These fruits not only provide a pleasing taste, but also contribute additional vitamins and fiber. Green apples, in particular, are rich in antioxidants and dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut. To further enhance the nutritional profile and taste, green juice recipes may also incorporate herbs such as mint, cilantro, or parsley. These herbs lend a refreshing and aromatic quality to the juice while offering their unique health benefits. For instance, mint is known for its digestive properties and ability to alleviate bloating, while cilantro has detoxifying properties and may help cleanse the body of heavy metals. Drinking green juice regularly can have a multitude of advantages for overall health and well-being. Firstly, the high concentration of vitamins and minerals can strengthen the immune system, helping to ward off common illnesses. The antioxidants present in green juice also play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting cellular health. Moreover, green juice is a fantastic way to increase energy levels naturally. The combination of nutrient-dense ingredients provides a quick and easily absorbed source of fuel for the body, promoting vitality and combating fatigue. This makes it an ideal choice for individuals leading busy lifestyles or in need of an afternoon pick-me-up. Another notable benefit of green juice is its potential to aid in weight management. The fiber content in the fruits and vegetables helps promote satiety, reducing cravings and overeating. Additionally, the low-calorie nature of green juice makes it a smart choice for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight or support weight loss efforts. Furthermore, green juice can contribute to glowing skin and improved complexion. The abundance of vitamins and antioxidants found in green vegetables and fruits helps promote collagen production, enhancing skin elasticity and reducing signs of aging. Additionally, the hydrating properties of green juice can help maintain skin moisture levels, leaving the skin looking radiant and supple. In conclusion, green juice is a nourishing and rejuvenating beverage that provides a myriad of health benefits. By incorporating an array of leafy greens, fruits, and herbs, green juice becomes a potent concoction brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Regular consumption of green juice can support immune function, increase energy levels, aid in weight management, and contribute to vibrant skin. So whether enjoyed as a morning ritual or a midday refresher, green juice is a delicious and wholesome way to promote overall wellness. After this brief and informative video, we can say that what makes people waste their resources is not only because of lack of information, but mainly because they can ingest counterfeit components. For this reason, I left the official website of Natural Ingredients on the description of this video so that you have access to the best supplement available today. Click in the link below for get access to more information. Thank you for watching this video. Big hug and until next time.